DNS, domain name system, isn't just for websites though, and multiple types of DNS records exist. We'll go over some of the most common ones that you're likely to come across. The A record. These records resolve the IPv4 addresses. For example, you have the following. Let me see. I think it's a good... Yeah. Let me show you something fun. So, domain name system, this protocol resolves IP addresses to their name, or their name to the IP addresses. Now, in order to check that, you can ping any website on the internet. Let's check Google. And you will have here the IPv4 address of Google. If you copy that and you just bump into a new tab, paste it there, boom, it is google.com. Another tool that can be used, actually, let's not open another instance. Let's reuse it. This goes forever because if you want to ping, like, we needed sudo privileges for this, and you use the C flag for count, and you just say 4 packets, and you just insert your password. After 4 times, it will be done. Okay, so this is one way to check the IP of a certain URL using the ping command, but another cool one is NS lookup, the same google.com. And you will see here IP address v4 and also IP address v6. You will see also the name for both ones. Pretty cool, right? A records resolve IP address v4 addresses. 4A records. These records resolve the IPv6 addresses. For example, you can see it here. CNAME records. These records resolve to another domain name. For example, tryhackme.com online shop has the subdomain name store.tryhackme.com, which returns a CNAME record shopsshopify.com. Another DNS request would then be made to shopsshopify.com to work out the IP address. MX records. These records resolve to the address of the server that handled the email for the domain you are querying. For example, an MX record response for tryhackme.com would look something like this. These records also come with a priority flag. This tells the client in which order to try the servers. This is perfect for if the main server goes down and email needs to be sent to a backup server. TXT records are free text fields where any text-based data can be stored. TXT records have multiple uses, but some common ones can be to list servers that have the authority to send an email on behalf of the domain. This can help in a battle against spam and spoofed emails. They can also be used to verify ownership of the domain name, when signing up for a third-party service. We have 2 questions. What type of records would be used to advise where to send the email? MX records. What type of record handles IPv6's records? 4A record. Boom. Now, check this out. NS lookup. Check the main name system records. Let's see. If we enter here google.com, you can see it here. IPv4, IPv6, CNAME not found. TXT record, you can see here some TXT ownership verificaciones. Other TXT records, beam, NS records. Ooh, we see some. and you can go back. What are NS records? That's a new one. Oh, no worries. DNS. What is DNS record? NS stands for name server, and the name server record indicates which DNS server is authoritative for the domain, right? D serveros, MX D mail, and that's it.